Educators are blown away when I tell them, because this research was done with middle school teachers, 400 of them. 200 were asked to engage in this protocol, 5 steps. Greet every student by name, have some kind of fist bump, handshake, or signal. Ask, how the day is going. Provide some encouragement for those who may have had a rough day yesterday, and provide some behavior-specific praise. Basically, greeting students at the door. And I'm gonna tell you, as a principal, the pushback I used to get from some teachers about that, it's almost like I'm infringing on their privacy. And what I cite in the book is, unfortunately, because the question becomes, why isn't that the norm at every school? Why isn't that the norm? Why isn't the norm creating that culture of belonging? And the fact is, we do what Yvette Jackson talks about, which is, we other people, we other them. Like, we look through them, look past them. In fact, violations of dignity in schools are much more normal than honoring dignities. Honoring dignity is when you call someone by their name.